I'm going to show you how to add transitions to your slides. So once you have all of your slides completed, everything that you want to have done, this is a slide presentation that I did for a science experiment that has been uploaded to the Google Drive folder. Now I want to make sure that my slides transition automatically to the next slide. Maybe I want to make sure that I've done this read aloud and I want the slides to seem like the person is turning pages, whatever I want to do. I'm going to create transitions from slide to slide. This is not necessary, but something that you can do if you'd like. You're going to come up here to transitions. You're going to click on transitions and you'll see this. There's a brand new menu bar here. What you want to do is look at these. These are the standard ones, but if you click on this little caret here, voila, this is where you can let your creative juices flow and shine. You can make it look like an origami, a vortex, glitter, whatever you want. Maybe you don't want to be too fancy, you just want it to be sort of mellow or calm. You're going to go ahead and click one. For this one, I'm going to do a reveal so that it slowly adds one. Once I click on that, you'll notice that this duration over here changed because each of these, as you'll notice, whenever I click on them, the time changes. That means that's how long it's going to take for that slide to transition to the next one. So if I do the reveal, right, it's going to click here. You can see most of the time it says on mouse click. If you want to set it to play automatically or to transition, you're going to unclick that and click the after box, and then you're going to go ahead and set the time for how long you want that slide to play. Say I'm thinking, I really only need that to play 5 seconds, so I'm going to go 5.0, and that way I can get the time to be exact. So I'm just going to scroll down here to maybe 4 seconds will be fine. Okay, maybe I want 4 seconds. I want the same transition. I'm going to come over here to apply to all, and I'm going to click on that, and that means now that every slide is going to play for 4 seconds using this transition, which may not be enough time actually if it takes 3 seconds to, maybe I'll change this to a 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out and see what happens. I'm going to come down here to present and we'll see if this works for us. Okay, here we go. I have the right here, if you look, this is the box that you want to push if you want the screen to record whatever it is that you're saying. Okay, so that's that button right there. Okay, so you see how that's just moving. It's right here.
To review the scientific method once again,
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit escape.